Alam mo, gusto niya mapahiya tayo. O, ginugulo niya. Para pagkain lang, tangina magpospos. Bakit ko nakikain kami dyan? Anong problema sa humba?
At saka spaghetti man niya kinain, hindi naman
Ay,
yan
Diyos
humba.
ko. Ay, tangina. Subo-sobra na siya. Bakit ayaw niya magpakita dito? Pumunta siya. Tutang ina. Nambabastos na siya sa mga tao dito sa Duterte. Yun talaga gusto niya, pahiyaan? O sige.
Are you defending Aldo in the poll?
No, may ganito yan. May
Oh my gosh, food at saka no, pero wag ka naman plastic. He's really your best friend. Take a stand.
Hey, can you stop? Hey. Attorney, stop.
Ako kasi yung binalastin.
I didn't know. Kasi nga, this is not good kasi hindi naman pala humba.
Humba nga eh.
humba, may nakalagay.
Humba. Intimidating
I
you.
can make a stance without shouting.
Tama
Why, you
na.
think I care if you're intimidated by me?
Yeah, exactly.
Hey,
that's why I'm
attorney,
shouting.
Alvin,
just
tama
telling
na.
you.
It's his birthday, so please stop.
But I was the one blasphemed.
I know, but
Don't
please
tell me
stop.
to stop.
Please.
I was the one blasphemed.
Please.
I was the one. Please ka na mag... Bakit